Welcome back to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore. We have a JDM Seiko here ready to be unboxed. We're looking at one of the newer retail boxes for the Seiko 5. This is like the new Superman logo, alright, clad in a really nice black cardboard case here. Let me just flip open this one here to review the watch for today. Ta-da! Here it is. This is the newer model of the 5KX, and this is the 38mm version. And we have a JDM kanji day wheel here. So like I mentioned earlier in this video, this is a JDM model. Let's have a look at the reference number of the watch. SBSA227. I'm pretty sure there's an equivalent international reference for this watch. We're looking at some kind of champagne dial version with a black bezel insert here. So this new model here, 38mm 5KX, I think they were launched sometime earlier this year, and there were a few different colorways. Of course, the most talked about, the most popular one would be the Tiffany blue version. That dial I think sold out everywhere, and I got in this one from our boutique on loan for review. Looks really good, sort of a white champagne dial here. Alright, so really nice. The way it shimmers as I get into light play looks pretty cool. Let's take a closer look at the 38mm 5KX. The overall dimension has definitely been reduced, and this watch also feels pretty light. Okay, I don't understand why there are so many hang tags on this watch. 3 hang tags, alright? This is the most I've seen on a Seiko watch. The Japanese people, I think they really love their hang tags. Let's do a quick check on the handset alignment. Do you think there will be a better QC with the JDM models? Let's have a quick look. 5 o'clock, looks alright. 6 o'clock, okay. Let's shoot for 9 o'clock. Okay, so no alignment issues at all with the handset. As it is, I think the dial looks pretty okay, so lucky to get in one that is perfect. So maybe the JDM ones, they do have better QC with regards to the alignment. Alright, I'm loving this kanji day wheel. I think this is what JDM watches, they're all about. You get the kanji day wheel and sort of adds to this sense of exclusivity when it comes to watch collection. Alright, so this is still the same old 4-hour movement, 4-hour 36 day date function, and we've got this good old folded end links bracelet, and I do believe this is a very standard Seiko part here. Flip lock, double pusher kind of class, nothing fanciful, but I guess when it comes to this 38mm version, it is all about the new size. This is like the direct reincarnation of the SKX013 so I think fans have been waiting for this one for a long time, and it took Seiko about 3 years, I think, to come up with this size, and everything looks really nice here. This one here would please many Seiko fans out there. Zooming out for a really quick wrist shot of the 38mm 5KX. Wow, this one here fits really well. Nice size, and I think definitely fits people with smaller wrists like myself. Ooh, okay. This should be under 13mm thickness. No confirmation on that. Let me do a check in my full detailed review. So again, I don't know what these hang tags are doing. Too many hang tags going on with the JDM watches. Stay tuned for the full detailed review of the 38mm 5KX SBSA227. I'll see you next week for more watch review videos. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye bye.